Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets Mobile. For example, I will freeze the column A. Just press the times on column A and select freeze column, and appears the bold line which is it freeze, and you can scroll. If you scroll the column, it will not move. And for example, I'm going to freeze row 2. Just press and hold. Sorry, just press the time and select freeze 2 rows. That's it. So simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.